until 7:30 p.m. Central.
Oh my God. My Radio Shack didn't go off.
Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen.
Only a matter of
The
time.
expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to be. Thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include downtown Houston, 2nd Ward, Greater 5th Ward, Greater Eastwood, Greater 3rd Ward, Midtown Houston, 4th Ward, near Northside Houston, Greater Northtown, or Montrose, Southeastern Greater Heights,
Oh my God.
Memorial Park, University Place, Aspen Oaks, or River Oaks area, Cashmere Gardens, Museum Park, Denver Harbor, or Port Houston, Lawdale, or Wayside, Magnolia
How is it
Park,
getting
and
so
Herman
much
Park.
static? Oh my God.
Street flooding has been reported along frontage roads near I-10 East and Jensen turnaround.
I gotta fix that.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles